Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Removal. Remove the front and rear rubber feet from the base enclosure. Remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Important: there are two clips in the center of the base enclosure that secure it to the battery. In the following step, take extreme care when releasing these clips. Only lift the base enclosure enough to access these clips. Lift the rear edge of the base enclosure slightly and use a long, non-metallic, flat-bladed tool to release the clips on the center of the base enclosure from the battery. Remove the base enclosure. Replacement. Tow the front edge of the base enclosure under the lip on the top cover and lower it into position on the top cover. Apply pressure to the edges and center of the base enclosure until it snaps into place. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the base enclosure to the top cover. Place the front and rear rubber feet into position on the base enclosure and apply pressure to adhere them into place.